Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는.
Good morning. It's day 6 in Cancun. Today we plan to spend another day playing in the pool and then head to a Mexican restaurant in the evening. Today I was able to touch the ball for the first time. I got a drink at the poolside bar. We participated in aerobics again today. The barbecue looked delicious, so we decided to have lunch outside. My backstroke is getting better. While listening to the violin by the poolside, I started feeling sleepy. Tired from playing, we've come to have dinner. Today, it's Mexican cuisine. A Mexican band is going around, visiting each table one by one. Finally, they've come to our table. After dinner, we headed to the game center inside the hotel.